Hi there, welcome back to Thompson Leisure TV. Today we've got the Elddis Encore 250. This van is on a fake chassis, it's 9-speed automatic. Usual format, we'll work our way around the outside of the van, point out some initial features and then jump in. Okay, so starting on the driver's side, first up we've got this grey water outlet, your toilet cassette, you have your fresh water, where is it? There, it's here. Fridge vent for the back of the fridge, pneumatic fridge in this three-way. We've got our electric hookup and you have an outside shower point here as well. Right, so round to the back of the van then, we've got this big 4 bike rack. These from memory carry 60 kilos. Okay, so round to the back of the van then, we've got this 4 bike rack, your reverse camera, your exhaust for your heating system. It's an Alldis heating system in this van, so another step up from your Dromore, more of a home heat as opposed to your blown air. And then you've got your water infill there, as well as you can actually see at the top then your TV aerial. Okay, so on to the passenger side of the van then, at the back we're greeted with this gas locker, 2 gas bottles, usual sort of setup there. Here we have your outside 3-pin power socket, outside TV point here, down here you've got your outside barbecue point, and your big awning. So we're inside the Elddis Encore. Nice setup up the front here. You got a multi-function wheel, your 9-speed automatic, and this lovely multimedia system. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this, and this is your screen for the reverse camera as well. More into the habitation side of things, we've got this lovely open lounge. Under these seats you have both your travel seats, so this is 4 belt, 4 berth. When you're making this into a bed, this just pulls out and you use the cushions as infill, so really easy. We've got this new touchscreen control panel that Elddis have incorporated into this new model Encore. As well as that, you have your Alldis heating control panel there as well. So onto the kitchen then, we've got this 3 gas hob and electric hot plate. You have your separate oven and grill. In here is actually where your table lives, so that just comes out into your lounge. It's very neat design. We also have this Dometic 3-way fridge. You'll see here it says auto, so it'll choose the most efficient heat source or cooling source to run off. Onto the bedroom, we have these his and hers wardrobes, storage over the top. You have another wee small wardrobe here and a TV point there as well actually, and then for more storage you have this room under the bed. Alright, so this is the bed set up in more of a sleeping arrangement. During the day obviously you'll have it pushed back so you can get around it, a little bit easier, more room. But when it comes to sort of bedtime, just pulls out. This section of the mattress just flips over and you're good to go. So there you have it guys, the Elddis Encore 250. Full specs available on the website. It's a lovely motorhome and it's ready to go, it's in stock. If you have any questions, give us a shout on the number, which is going to be down here, or you can pop me an email, robin@thompsonleisure.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.